Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make collagen powder at home. First, select bones rich in collagen, like beef knuckles or chicken feet, for the best results. Rinse them well under cold water to remove any impurities. Then, transfer your clean bones into a large stock pot or a slow cooker, preparing them for the next crucial step in extracting that beneficial collagen. Now cover your bones with water, ensuring there are about 2 inches of water above them. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw out the collagen and minerals. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for a long time, ideally 12 to 24 hours, or even up to 48 hours for maximum extraction. After simmering, carefully strain the rich broth through a fine mesh sieve, separating all the solids from the liquid. Discard the cooked bones and any other remaining bits. Next, pour the strained liquid back into a clean pot. Gently reduce this liquid over medium heat, allowing it to thicken into a gelatinous consistency, which is pure liquid collagen. Finally, spread the cooled, thickened gelatin evenly onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Dehydrate it in an oven set to a low temperature, around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, for several hours until it becomes completely dry and brittle. Once fully dehydrated, break the pieces and blend them in a high-speed blender until you achieve a fine, consistent collagen powder. Store it in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.